The following instructions are based on the assumption that the correct joint tightness and guide pin setting has been established and that you are thoroughly familiar with the jig's use when routing single joints. To this point in the video, we've been making joints where the mortise and tenon workpieces are the same thickness. However, there will be times when you want to use boards of different thicknesses. For example, where the tenon piece is thinner and centered on a wider mortise board, or deliberately off-center or flush on the mortise board. Routing single or double inline mortise and tenons is straightforward. The only difference is that you must also sight the front-to-back position of the mortise board. Simply mount, sight, set the left-right limit stops, and route all the tenon boards as shown before. Note that the location of the mortise center must be marked with crosshairs. Start by sighting the left-right position of the mortise board. Clamp it in place. Release the table and move it to sight the center of the crosshairs. Lock the table and retract the sight. The mortise is then routed in the normal manner. Here you can see the location of the tenon board, which is centered on the mortise board. To have the tenon flush with one side of a wider mortise board, simply route the tenon and mortise boards with the same side against the clamp plate. The tenon can be located in any desired position on the mortise board. Twin and quadruple joints of different stock thicknesses require a packing piece between the clamp plate and the tenon board. The thickness of the packing piece must be equal to the offset of the two pieces. For example, a 2-inch tenon board centered on a 2.5-inch mortise board will require a 1/4-inch thick packing piece. Sight and route the tenons following the same procedure as routing twin or quadruple joints with the packing piece in place. Never attempt to achieve alignment by resighting the joint and resetting the front-back limit stops, as it would make it impossible to guarantee twin tenon to mortise alignment. Remove the packing piece before sighting and routing the mortises.